Okay, students. Now going to discuss about working of heart of man. Okay, already you know about the structure of the heart. Okay, and it is with the explanation of the cardiac cycle. Cardiac cycle means it is the duration of the time period between the beginning of the one heartbeat to the beginning of the next heartbeat. That is called cardiac cycle. Okay, students, in the cardiac cycle it is with three phases. First one is atrial systole, second one is ventricular systole, third one is cardiac diastole. This first one, atrial systole. Atrial systole, its time takes about 0.1 second. In this atrial systole, first one, both of the atria goes to the contraction. Okay, sinoatrial node that shows by the atrium, right atrium. Sinoatrial node act as a pacemaker of our heart and which generates the action potential. Okay, produces the action potential. It is the nodal tissue, and both of the atrial chambers goes to the contraction. Okay, and now by the contraction of the atrial chambers, the respective atrioventricular walls, AV walls, are open. The blood present in the atrial chambers enters into the ventricles. By the atrial systole, 30% of the blood is filled up by the ventricles. Okay, remaining the blood present in each of the ventricle enters before the atrial systole. Okay, this is about the atrial systole. And under ventricular systole, ventricular systole times takes about 0.3 second. What about the ventricular systole? Ventricular systole, that means SCA node generates the action potential, that is reaches to the AV node, AV node, from the AV node, one of the bundle expands throughout the interventricular septum, that is called bundle of His. Bundle of His divides into left and right branches, and which is finally expands throughout by the small branches which are called Purkinje fibers. Okay, SCA node generates the action potential, that is received by the AV node. That one is the action potential which causes the contraction of the muscles of the heart, expand for the Purkinje fibers, and finally it causes the contraction of the muscle part of the ventricle. Okay, by the ventricular systole, it causes increase in intraventricular pressure is increases, it causes the closure of the AV walls are closes. This is causing the produce of the first heart sound, which is called lub, and it also leads to opening of the semilunar walls. By the opening of the semilunar walls, the blood present in the ventricle entered into the arches, pulmonary arches and systemic arches. Next, another this time takes about ventricular systole takes about 0.3 seconds. Next, another cardiac diastole. Cardiac diastole times takes about 0.4 second. Okay, what is occurs in cardiac diastole? An intraventricular pressure is falls down. By decreasing the intraventricular pressure, it causes the closure of the semi-lunar walls. By the closing of the semi-lunar walls, it produces second heart sound, that is dub. That is dub. Okay, students, and at the same time, AV valves are open. AV valves are open. The blood is received by the atrium by the help of the largest veins and entered into the ventricles. Entered into the ventricles. Now all of the chambers of heart goes to the relaxation diastolic position, that is called cardiac diastole. Takes about 0.4 second. In this way, entire the cardiac cycle is completed in 0.8 seconds. Next, cardiac output. Cardiac output is equal to stroke volume into number of heartbeats per minute. Stroke volume, what is the meaning of the stroke volume? Stroke volume means the volume of the blood pumped out by single ventricle, each ventricle, okay, per each heartbeat, that is called stroke volume. It is equal to 70 ml. And number of heartbeats per minute, that is equal to 72 beats per minute. Cardiac output is equal to 70 ml per beats into 72 beats per minute. Okay, that is equal to 5040 ml per minute. It is approximately 5 liters. Cardiac output is equal to 5 liters per minute. Cardiac output means the volume of the blood pumped out by single ventricle per minute. Okay, students. Next, double circulation. Double circulation is divided into pulmonary circulation, systemic circulation. Double circulation appeared in human beings. Okay, systemic circulation, pulmonary circulation. Pulmonary circulation, it is also called lesser circulation. What is the meaning of the lesser circulation? Deoxygenated blood is received by the pulmonary arch from the right ventricle and pumps into the lungs for the oxygenation. After the oxygenation, blood is received by pulmonary veins, which is opens into the left atrium. Okay, and another systemic circulation. What about the systemic circulation? Systemic circulation means oxygenated blood present in the left ventricle and pumps into aorta, aortic arches. Okay, systemic arch, that means, and which is divides into many blood vessels in the body called arteries. Arteries are divides into arterioles. Arterioles divides into many blood capillaries at the tissue cells. Okay, for easy passage of the oxygen and the nutrients into the extracellular fluid. After the exchange, these are the blood capillaries are opens into venules. Venules opens into veins. Veins carries the blood into the caval veins, post caval vein and pre-caval vein, which are also called superior vena cava, inferior vena cava. These are the largest veins which is opens into right atrium. Okay, this is called systemic circulation, is also called greater circulation. Systemic circulation is also called greater circulation, and pulmonary circulation is also called lesser circulation. Lesser circulation. Okay, students, it is total about the working of heart of man. Cardiac cycle is completed in each cardiac cycle is completed in 0.8 seconds. It is followed with atrial systole, ventricular systole, cardiac diastole. Okay, students.